as traders, we're always working on our edge. Just like a poker player sitting at the table, he's working on his edge by counting the cards, odds and probabilities, expected value. He's reading his opponent, certain tells that the opponent may have, whether he's weak or whether he's strong. In that same way, I use volume to determine if the opponent is weak or strong. It's an added confirmation, not the only confirmation, but it's an added confirmation that I could use to help me take an entry, which will give me a higher probability of the outcome that I want. I want to talk about volume, the study of volume, today specifically on what I posted here in our Discord community that Eric is teaching us every single day. I'm going to, here if I could get this right. Here's what I posted. For later study, DG, I'm watching the volume on the pullback. So after the bears dumped below the 5-day moving average, I'm watching the pullback. So I'm observing my opponent to see if they're strong. I'm looking at the volume. Volume is a receipt of each transaction. Therefore, volume is very important. It's a very important tell as it shows intention. If the bulls had strong intention to reverse, take this back up, I would be able to see that. Here's an example of the bulls. After this particular dump, this was last month sometime. After this dump, you see the bullish volume overtake basically all the bearish volume from previously. And that shows that the bulls were there and they have intention. I was able to read my opponent and not take any shorts and maybe even take a long. So same with today. I was looking for the volume. I'm watching the volume here. The bulls did not show intention. So this helps me with the decision of, are the bears going to continue downward? Are the bears in control? And this is one confirmation. Again, not the only confirmation. This is one confirmation that I have that the bulls were no longer in control. We don't see any bullish volume after the bears dumped below the 5-day moving average. Price for the next 7 or 8 candles did go up. So on this pullback, and as traders, you know you want to look for low volume on the pullback if there's going to be continuation in the direction. This is what helps me, the study of volume. Eric is teaching us every day in the Discord community.